we are having design thinking course. Design thinking is a new buzzword you must be knowing to solve the complex oblique wicked problem. If you start solving wicked problem by using your gut feeling, there is every likelihood that you will give rise to 10 other problems. Then we have got UX Jump Starter. It is 72 hours course. Here we are teaching empathy. Here we are also teaching user research. It is a course which will be making you to understand the nuances of UX design, and you can become a UX designer after doing this course. Then we are having mobile UX course. This is mobile user experience course. Basically, it is being done by engineering students of IT and computer science, ECE, or any circuit branch. They are doing it. The total duration of this course is only 36 hours. Then we are having wireframing, user research, interaction design, UI design and tools. Depending upon the curricula and content, the courses are varying from 1.5 months to 3.5 months, or sometimes 4 months. We have started a new course which has generated a lot of attraction amongst the corporate people, and that was redefining consumer experience post COVID-19. So large number of people have come and they have done this course also. So these are the short course we are running presently. First of all, basic degree course is Bachelor of Design in UX Design. Bachelor BDES, we call it BDEX under bracket UX, BDES UX. So we offer Bachelor of Design in User Experience. Then we offer Postgraduate Design, that is Masters of Design in UX. We also offer Postgraduate Diploma in UX design, that is PGD UX we call it. We also offer, recently last year we have started offering BBA FinTech. You see that nowadays banks have already been, as I told you, we are the institution who are in future skills. So we started a very typical course which is running in Chitkara University with 60 intake. There we are running BBA FinTech, Financial Technology, Digital Banking and Financial Technology, but in short we call it BBA FinTech. We also run a course, a specialization in UX for computer science engineer or IT engineer, where we are teaching them 12 papers of UX design and we are giving a specialization degree. Other than these courses, we are running integrated BFA course, that is the people who are doing Bachelor of Fine Arts. We are giving again input of 12 paper, but depending upon the university, one university has asked for only 8 papers. So we are giving 8 papers of UX. In addition, we are also doing dual specialization. It has been observed by many design institutions that they were giving degree in fashion design, interior design, and people were not able to get the job, because most of the jobs today is in the area of UX design. So we started giving them input in the field of UX design, again 8 paper, 9 paper, 10 papers. We go to industry basically, you must understand, because we are not entitled to give them degree. So for degree and infrastructure, we are going to university. Teachers are our. We have got 50 teachers employed presently and 26 we are taking on. Interview is going on. Most of our teachers are MDes from NIT, IIT and NIFT. And they all are qualified. Many of them are having industry exposure. They have been in industry as a UX design holders.